Got a piece of broken stone veneer in need of repair? The fix is fast, easy, and pretty cheap. Let's get started. Make sure your pieces fit together properly, cleaning out the joint of loose materials if needed. Mix up some general use epoxy, stirring the A and B resins together according to the directions. I'm using a 30-minute cure epoxy to give myself plenty of time. Coat one side of the broken joint in epoxy. A popsicle stick or piece of cardboard works well. Disposable gloves would be really smart here too. Press the two pieces back together and use a clamp to hold them together. You don't need much pressure at all here. Now, we're using a piece of fiberglass drywall mesh tape, trimming as needed, sticking it to the stone and coating it with epoxy so it will act sort of like rebar and provide strength. Once dry, you can trim the edges further if you needed. Next, we're going to clean the back of the stone veneer as well as the wall it fell off of with TSP, which is a heavy-duty cleaner. Follow the safety instructions with the cleaner you use. I'll skip the part where we clean the wall, but assure you, it's every bit as exciting as this part. When everything is dry, use a tube of landscape block and stone glue on the back side of the piece that fell off. We chose this Liquid Nails brand, which comes in a caulking tube. Apply plenty to the back of the stone, but not too much as you don't want it to squeeze out the sides where it may show. Press the stone firmly into place, but being careful not to crack it again. You can put a weight against it while it dries if needed. Good as new.